People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to be talking about the infamous Sandy Brown, real name Camille Coke. Now you might have heard me mention her one or a few times, right, but didn't really go too deep into it. Right. But in case you're wondering, who is Sandy Brown or Camille Coke, as the last name suggests? Right. She's a member of the, well, you know all about the West Kingston crime dynasty, right? The Coke family. Right. She was, or she is, the sister, right, to Dodos and Livity, right? Bomber T, Monday. She's Jim Brown's daughter. Right. In case the naming scheme confuse you, you hear Sandy Brown and you hear Camille Coke. The Brown come from Jim Brown, but obviously Jim Brown real name isn't Brown. Jim Brown real name is Coke, Lester Coke. Right. But him take on the Jim Brown name from the show, the actor. Right. So because she's his daughter, people call her Sandy Brown. Sandy Brown is now a preacher. And from what I hear, one hell of a preacher at that. See, if Sandy Brown was to release a song tomorrow, a gospel song, this is what it would sound like. When I think of the Jamaican justice system and how it didn't catch up with me, my soul cries out, hallelujah, thank God for saving me. Closer than a brother, my lawyer is to me. He's my dearest friend, he's everything I need. Hold on, stop. I wanna try to beat the system. Pass around the offering plate in the comment section. We're gonna need the offering plate, right, to swing across the whole comment section. Right. And we don't want any excuse saying on the money. Right. We accept Visa, MasterCard, right now, all crypto with it on Bitcoin. Right. Anything you want, right, just drop it in. We accept everything. Sandy Brown, you win. Sandy beat the system completely. Throughout the whole fall of the dynasty, when Dodos sent Ghana foreign and Liberty, right, turning a special, right? Remember that story I'm telling you why them call Liberty special? Right? Bomber T them the uptown and lay low and all kind of things. Right? Sandy Brown did get caught up initially in her sheet. One time them the whole lamp and it looked like something never go on, but nothing not go on. Remember say them things majority of the times, right, the woman of the group normally walk. Right. There's usually not much motive, there's not much incentive to really push for sink. Right. So the woman in these organizations. That's just the reality of the situation. Right. Don't ask me why. I'm sure that them will tell us that they try to bring a case but them couldn't find nothing. Right. But the facts they never found, they never even hear about Sandy Brown. Right. They found her the first time, they'll probably see her. That should tell you all you need to know. Sandy Brown completely beat the system. Now, you remember a long time video when I said when kerosene going to the church, for them testimony hotter than everybody testimony. For them preaching more serious, more Holy Ghostified than anybody else preaching. Remember that video? Well, when I was doing that video, I was thinking about Sandy Brown in my head because I'd recently heard, right, say Sandy Brown turned big preacher, right, very big in the church. Right. She inspired that line. But Sandy Brown wasn't a kerosene. Sandy Brown was bigger than a kerosene. Sandy Brown was far more powerful than a kerosene. She was a Don in her own right. Right. No, she wasn't what I would consider, quote unquote, real Don. What I mean by that? Right. Means the average Don rise to the top because, usually have the political links and because them are crossed the road long time and them have the access to the contracts and all them things. That's a traditional Don, right? A 90 octane. And remember, only Dodos was really the Don. Dodos was the 90, right? Sandy and Liberty them was premium. They also say premium 87 or whatever, right? But she was a Don in the sense that Sandy Brown could send for you. Sandy Brown could make things happen. people afraid of Sandy Brown. They feared Sandy Brown. Right. People might not remember about them time there. Nobody really want a problem with Sandy. And she would tell that herself. Matter of fact, she did a couple interviews. Right. She did one with a lady named Simone Stewart. You can go check out that. Right, and I see a next one called Sheena Power Talk. Right. She done a couple interviews. I don't think Sandy Brown hide the fact say, right, she was, as me say, infamous in these streets. She actually used it as material for her testimony and her preaching. Right. But here's the thing. I found a couple interviews, right, her old interview, where she was speaking to the Gleaner. And she said this. And bear in mind, this is 2016, she said this, right? She basically started mentioning all the facts, you know, she in the church and everything, but she'll say, right, that, and as you can see on your screen, I quote, "I've been praying for them," that's Dodos and Leighton Liberty Cope. Right. "I prayed and asked the Lord to transform the heart of Dodos when he's about to be released. It is the same prayer as I prayed for Liberty when he was in jail for 4 years. Look at him now. He's not the same person. He has been attending church, and if you ever hear him pray, you cannot believe it's the same Liberty. Well, I have news for you, Camille Cope. It's the same Liberty. That's Unicorn Meat." Right. This interview took place in 2016. Right through Liberty Abad. Right through. Right. So, again, this is what happened when a sister speak about her brother. Right, you know, the rose tinted glasses. Right, you know. No. Liberty Abad right through. Right. Of course, legally, now that them bust the case, right, legally, he's an innocent man. Legally, he not do nothing. Right. But, yeah, people them know I go on the streets. Liberty, I mean, yeah. 26, I feel cool for that time period when she said this, right, 2016, which is why she say he's not the same person. But Liberty went right back, right, to him same own ways. Right. Anyway, the church is home to some of Jamaica's most, how would I say, questionable characters. Some of them genuine, some of them, right, I said unicorn. To be honest, I know people who did really in the streets, right, going to the church and genuinely leave badness alone and turn on them life. I've seen it. Right. Man where did have a name, right, and something touched them, water run on them eye. Right. Next thing we hear say, him in the church, him baptized, next thing you hear say, right, him dip on the choir, next thing you hear say, him start preach. I've seen it, so obviously me not say can't, obviously it enough people in a church know a member where it really in the streets at and turn on, but the church is also a great hiding ground. A great hiding ground. If you want some heat, come on for you. Trust me, enough man when things get hot, and man turn up in a church and now has that family unit, and now you have the congregation, right? If you say no man, him change, you better leave him alone, because you don't want a problem with the congregation. Right? So I'm telling you right now, right? And obviously I can't speak for Camille Coke, right? I don't know, I can't speak for nobody if you say, you know, she's, you know, we can't come and say, yo, I like she tell, actually, obviously I don't know in a Camille Coke art. Right? But I'm talking in general now. If you watch somebody left badness and going to church, and the church accept them as one of them one, and then you go there boy you want to come try call out, you better run away. Trust me, you don't want them problem there. The congregation will come for you. Yeah. So, Camille Coke actually, because it look like she shall shake off the Sandy Brown image, because Sandy Brown name is attached to the badness, because even the interview where she do, right? Even the same interview with Simone Stewart, she said, you know, it's anti-Camille now. Right? So it's like she'll shake off the badness image, right? And I tell her it's a serious shake off, right? And I say enough people don't know the old school version of Camille Coke, right? The Sandy. The lady you see on the screen right as well. This is not the version that have so much people at West Kingston afraid or like post. And somebody actually messaged my Instagram and I say, oh, sorry, me like, oh, it sound like say, like basically they were trying to say I'm surprised, say, you know, Sandy Brown could speak so well. Like, regardless, we have to be honest, the Coke dynasty is a criminal dynasty, but the Pitney them go school. Right? There's no need to be surprised that Sandy Brown can speak well, right? I mean, the whole of them me know about go quote unquote good school, right? Them definitely get them education, right? So you don't be surprised when you hear them talk and them sound like, you know, the idea say, right, everybody who mix up in that badness is illiterate, somebody who can't read and write. That is simply not true, right? Sandy Brown and Dodos and all of them, Chris Roy and all of them. Even Jati is a past student of Woolmer's boys. Right, Dodos used to go hard in and anything. Right, so them did get the medication. Now, here's the thing. This new, modern, as she would say, born again, Camille Coke. Fair testimony, and this is just my opinion now, right, should not be confined to just the church. Right? Because Sandy Brown would have seen and done almost everything we can involve, right, in a badness. And Sandy Brown, or Camille Coke, is the perfect candidate to really tell people, the youths in particular, how badness really work and just how ugly it actually is. Because she testified them things and preach what them things and. But you see, the Coke family, right, Dodos and them, in popular culture, them have this image where even to this day, enough people would aspire to be like them. Because there is this glamorous, you know, people hear about Dodos and Zeeks. People grow up and hear about Zeeks and Dodos. Sandy Brown, they lived through all of that. If she could, I don't know if the government would be willing or if she would be willing, but who knows, maybe she'll do it already, but if she could actually speak to some of these young youths, maybe even some juvenile offenders, because now she's reformed, right, according to what she said, she could speak to some of these youths and make them know, say, listen, won't I run down, right, how where certain people are put on. The end result is this and this. I think it would mean more, right, coming from Sandy Brown, or even Dodos himself when he touched back at Jamaica, than the words on a policeman or the words on a politician. Because my youths no want to be in the police. Alright, the youths no look up to the policeman and say, yo, Jano, that's the coolest person, that's who I want to be. No, that's a youth who want to be a police, but the average youth in the streets, right, there's more cool points attached to being a Dodos and a Zeeks than there is to being a police. So, more the average youth, right, whether they rather be done for West Kingston or be a police constable, I take the done for West Kingston. Even if you give him a big rank in a police, right, they probably still take, right, the done for West Kingston based on the clout and the whole heap of kerosene and the lifestyle where him think come with it. I say think because I say people like Sandy Brown know the real face of badness. So now that, you know, she's not a preacher and all them things. I say it'd be interesting to see, right, if something like that could have worked. I say I don't know if she do it already. I don't know if they do it already. I know so there is a program where people go around and, you know, but I feel like here is a living testimony, right, according to Sandy Brown. Again, I don't know Sandy Brown personally, I don't know in her heart. But if Camille Coke serious about what she has to say, I think fair word will go a long way, right, in getting some of these youth, making them realize that badness is madness. nowhere near as glamorous as you think. Don't believe me? Better ask no puss. Better ask Nevada Adjis. So it's interesting to me. When I see the interview, right, I said, why Sandy really glow up? Right. You know, when people on social media saying level up, Sandy Brown living up. Look like a complete different person. Right. When Sandy, you level up, man. But I'm not really surprised, you know. When I hear how Sandy Brown can preach and how she can testify, and I'm not surprised because you know why Sandy Brown and woman like her and the kerosene when them run going to the church, or even the 87s them when them run going to the church. You know why? For them testimony, right, hotter than everybody else one. Because they know what the Lord has taken them from. Right? A jail cell. Which is where enough of them should have been. Right? Or Dovecat. Right? So when them think about the facts, right, they may escape all of that. Right? I'm still there. Right? All the experiences that them go through in their life and things that them do, that store inside of them. And when time them channel it into preaching and testifying, it come out like living fire. I tell you, cheer kick up, right? Tongues are fly. A serious thing. I tell you, I've seen it. For them testimony hotter than everybody else's testimony. Because when you go through life, right, let's say for example, right, Carlton going to the church. Right. Carlton's a traditional family man. Right. Carlton, never shoot out with no police or nothing like that. When he testify about, yesterday I didn't have any bus fare, and then the Lord, same time I see one brother drive past and pick me up and drop my work, and I said, look what the Lord has done for me. That's as good as Carlton testimony get. But when Camille Cook start give fear testimony them, you better hold on from the chair them and the window them, because spirit moving through like a magnet. Anyway, let me let this one just for now. Let me say you can go check out the interview with Simone Stewart, or check out the one on China Power Talk page. Should be interesting if you're interested. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, go and look for some scraps. Bless.